What's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, back at you with another video. I'm talking about another unboxing video, and I got a real good deal on this product right here. And what we're going to be unboxing today is the Mophie. The Mophie PowerStation. The Mophie PowerStation. There we go. It's in view. The Mophie PowerStation. Normally, this was run you at Best Buy. This right here will run you $49.99 at Best Buy. I got it at Best Buy for $15. $15 for a Mophie. And normally Mophies are kind of expensive. So to get this for $15 was a steal. Before we get into it, it has 29 hours. 29 hours for smartphones, 11 hours for small tablets, and 7 hours for large tablets. It also has a USB-C input-output port, a USB-A port, LED power indicator, so you can see how much juice it has. And it has a durable fabric mesh. And normally this will run you again. This will run you $49.99. But if you know how to be a wise shopper, thank you to my wife Tech. $15 for this. I paid $15. And let's get into the unboxing. Today, I got my red unboxing knife today. It's been a while since I used it. So I said I will bring it out of retirement. Here we go, there we go. Come on. Now this thing is trolling me. Come on, man. Here we go. So the presentation is pretty good. Nice thin box. I guess everybody's trying to go eco-friendly. Here we go. Comes out, slides out. Bing. Nothing else in here. Nothing else in here. It's done. Nothing else. All right. Got this little tab here. You pull it up. And here we go. Comes out. All right. This is it. What we're going to do, we're going to put this down right here. And we're going to see what else comes with. It comes with a pop-up thing. The unboxing is pretty decent now. Unboxing experience, because this goes in here. Right? Let me put it back in here. And this goes right here. And you had to just lift it up, and it got that bling bling. So pretty good unboxing. Now it doesn't come with a power brick. It comes with a USB-A to USB-C. Now what if I did not have a power brick? I mean, I got like 300 of them, but it's very short too. I wish they would have at least made it a little longer. Nice plastic. Durable, kind of. It's not cheap. It's not. It don't look like it's too cheap. Got the booklet in here. Booklet, nothing else. I thought they would at least give you some trolling stickers. And it says "Power for All." Look at that inside here. It says "Power." Let's see, "Power for All." There we go. So this is it right here. As you can see, it has a. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a rubbery texture. Rubbery texture around it. Feels good in the hand. It feels good in the hand. It's an 8,000 milliamp hour battery. It does have a button, and it only has one dot. I don't know why they bring these without charge. I mean, they sell you these, but at least charging it halfway. So give me a couple of minutes. Let me get a little bit of charge on here, and then we're going to test it out on some things. Go get your Red Bull. Go get your Nas. Go get your coffee with espresso shot in it. I'll be right back. Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm back, and I got it up to at least 2 dots so we can do some charging. See it, if it'll fast charge some of the other devices I have, because they will tell you if it's not fast charge. But I just want to let you see some of the other battery packs I have charging port. This right here is a Pocket Juice. I've had it for a while now. It's looking kind of rough, But this has when you can lay your phone on here or anything that's Qi. I think it's Qi compatible. Qi compatible wireless charging. So you can just lay your phone, your tablet, or even your earbuds on here, and it will charge up. This is the one I did not too long ago, the Anchor. This is 20,000 milliamp hour battery. This one has been doing me pretty good. I mean, the only thing I don't like about this one here, it takes a long time to charge up. Takes a while to charge up fully, but you know, it's a battery pack. So this is 4,000 milliamp, and right here this is 8,000 milliamp, and you can see it's a little thicker than the it's a little thicker, just by not by that much. Well, maybe it's about the same size. Look a little bit thicker. It's a hair width thicker than the 44 milliamp hour. This is the newest one, the Mophie. And I got it up to 2 dots. I got it up to do two dots. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna see how it do charging certain things, if it has a fast charge, because it does have a lightning bolt on here. So we'll see. It does go from USB to USB. So we do have that. So we're gonna plug it up to the Pixel for a 5G, the middle child of the bunch. And came up, it says charging rapidly. Is that 89%? It says it's charging rapidly. Let's see if we can get it to come back up. Rapid charge. So it's charging rapidly. It says charging rapidly. Is that 40? Is that 89%? So it says I'm charging rapidly. I don't know if you can see it, but at the bottom it says charging rapidly. So it's a rapid charging. So we're going to take that and we're going to try the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra or Plus, how they say it. This says fast charging, 26 minutes to fully charge. So it's got some fast charging, so that's good. That's good. So then what we're going to do, we're going to switch this out from USB-C to USB-C. And we're going to go from USB-A to I think this is not micro but regular. Let's see if I can get y'all to see it. I think this is micro or USB, micro USB. I got my Samsung tablet. Had this for a while, so you can see. So we're gonna put it on in here and see if it charges it up. See if it cuts it on. Yes, it is. There go the Thunderbolt. There go the Thunderbolt. And let's see what it goes. Let's see if it. So there it go. It says it's at 0%. So I guess I kept it on. So it's charging this pretty good. Pretty good. So it's charging it. So that's pretty good. So it works as advertised. Mophie's supposed to be a very good PowerStation, power bank, or whatever, however you want to say it. I give it a B. Give it an A. No, I give it an A. It does what it's supposed to do. It feels good. You know, this one feels a little slippery, but this has a nice texture on it. It does have a nice texture, like a coating, plastic coating on it. And some of it kind of rubbed off. You can see I've had it for a while, but right here on the juice pocket, you can see that the plastic coating will come off if it falls or if it rubs up against something. This feels good. For $15, it was $49.99 to $15. I think this is a steal. Let me give it the good old smell test to see what this smell like. Hold on. This smells like a good bargain. This smells like a good bargain for $15. 8,000 milliamp battery, PowerStation from Mophie. I think it's Really good. I will put the link to the I'll put the link, and so where you can see, you can buy, maybe you can find it cheaper for 15, but I'll put the link from Best Buy where I got it from. Well, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, thanking you for joining me for another unboxing. Do me a favor, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Hopefully I have earned your subscriptions. Please subscribe.